At my friend's house, decided to make a chicken roast. Let's go. Also with my knife. So for this recipe, you're gonna need a few green and yellow bell peppers. I'd say around 2 green, 3 yellow. A few diced up courgettes, and some baking potatoes. Some white onions, roughly chopped up. A lot of garlic. For me, it's not, but for some people it is. I like a lot. Roughly diced also. Salt. I like to use Malden, but this one's also okay. Pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and some all-purpose seasoning. You can also use an Italian one. Mix it up in one big bowl or pot, like I'm using now, and place those beautiful ingredients right in a baking tray. When it comes to chicken, fuck a duck. Now when it comes to chicken, I like to use a French corn-fed chicken, but if you can't find any French chicken, just make sure to find the highest quality chicken you can get. Tail off, tips of the feet right off, tips of the wing also off. Now we're going to spatchcock the chicken, which means removing the whole back. Now when you spatchcock the chicken, just give it some scoring. Now after you scored it, put on some seasoning. Now after you season the chicken, put it right on top. And bake it at around 200 Celsius. Mom, can I please just say one thing in the video? You've been sleeping all day, Ma. Now bake the chicken around 200 Celsius for a few hours until it's nicely golden brown on top. And keep in mind, while it's roasting, constantly baste it. And that is how you roast a beautiful chicken. Crisp potatoes, crispy chicken skin. What more do you want? Beautiful.